don't enter anything here, just click on
Skip.
So how many types of campaigns we have?
7.
7. What are the types?
Sales campaign, video campaign, apps campaign,
What are the types of campaigns we have?
search, performance
7
max.
types.
Yes.
What are those 7 types? Search, display, video, demand generation, apps, shopping, performance max. Do you see any search campaign here?
No.
No. So what is this? This is not a campaign. This is objective. Sales you want, according to sales, Google will suggest you the campaign. Leads you want, according to the leads, Google will suggest you the campaign. Website traffic. Now these are the objectives that you can get from the Google Ads. Sales you can generate, leads you can get, website traffic you can get, app promotion you can get, YouTube reach you can get, local store widgets. There's one more option, create a campaign without goal and guidance. It means that you don't need any guidance from Google. You don't need any guidance from Google. So how many types of campaigns we have? Search, display, video, shopping, app, demand gen and performance max. It's showing me all the 7 campaigns because I've selected without goal and guidance. If I select sales from here, one campaign is missing, which is that
Performance.
no, performance max. It is here. It is app campaign is missing. So it means that app campaigns you cannot generate
Sales.
If I select lead, it means if you want to generate sales, Google is suggesting you all these campaigns. Leads, again all campaigns. If you want website traffic, again all campaigns. If you want app promotion, no, it
Only
will
app
be
promotion.
App campaign. YouTube awareness, see, only video campaign. Local store visits, only performance marketing. So every campaign will have a different objective. Without goal and guidance, all the campaigns.
In this we can select whatever we want.
Anything. Total how many campaigns I can create?
7.
10,000.
10,000. So search campaign I can create multiple. Demand I can create multiple. So got it?
Sir, each campaign we can run 10,000 or overall 10,000.
Overall 10,000. Got it? This is where we create a
Campaign.
campaign. Okay. Next. Billing here we need to add. Campaign, this is where we need to connect. Okay. Now let's say sort of
Off.
okay. Let's say you're working for Digital Nest. Because examples I have to show you now. Screen I want. Screen जब भी I don't want screen again I will go to
सर क्लास में
class सुनेगा.
फुल क्लास कैंसिल करो.
सो जाओ बोलने को. Why you attend 35 ads? How many of you know him?
All.
How many of you will be with him regularly? Ask 35, he will be with always 35.
सर क्लास शुरू.
अरे नहीं भाई just I'm knowing. Okay. So let's say you're working with Digital Nest. If you're creating a campaign for Digital Nest, which type of campaign you'll create?
Digital Nest का leads generation.
Leads? Confirm?
Leads, sales.
Don't you think we want website traffic? Don't you think we want local store visits?
Yes.
Don't you think we want YouTube views and all?
Performance max कर देंगे उसको.
So, so every business will have one primary objective, one secondary objective. It means that without primary objective, business cannot survive. With secondary, only with secondary objective, business cannot survive.
We need both.
For example, if you take digital ads, what is our primary objective? We want,
Leads.
we are not generating leads. We are just focusing on branding, only branding. Do you think we'll generate leads? No.
Of course.
We might,
Hmm.
but people will get to know about you.
Yes.
But less leads will generate.
Yes, yes.
So we'll not get any
Leads.
revenue. If you don't get revenue, business will not
Run.
survive. So what is the primary objective for Digital Nest?
Leads.
Leads. What is the secondary objective for Digital Nest?
Course. Selling the
Branding.
course.
Now branding can be from any objective. It can be from website traffic, it can be from store visits, it can be from YouTube. Now let's say Amazon. .in. What is the primary objective for Amazon.in?
Leads.
Leads or sales?
Sales.
Branding.
What is the secondary objective? Secondary objective. How you'll make purchase on Amazon? Will you fill the form first? Then they'll call you.
No,
then
no,
they'll
no,
sell you?
no, no, no.
You directly make a purchase.
Yes.
Do you need leads here?
Advertisement.
You need branding as a second objective. So every business will have one primary objective, second is
Branding.
secondary objective. If your client is giving you 1 lakh rupees to spend in 1 month, 70% amount should be spent in
Sales.
primary objective.
Primary.
It can be sales, it can be leads.
Leads.
Because it can be 70, it can be, let's say, primary objective 70%, secondary objective 30%. Now it can be 60-40 also, it can be 80-20 also. Depends on what client wants. But primary focus should be on this common 70% so you have to spend. Because without that, client business will not survive. Okay. Clear? Now tell me for Digital Nest, I want you to select only one objective. Which one you'll select?
Leads.
Will you select? You'll select leads. Tell me what is the primary objective for urban company?
Sales. Sales and brand awareness.
No, there are two primary objectives.
Hmm.
One is app installation,
Hmm.
one is
Sales.
sales. Because they have an app also. Okay. Now let's understand user journey. Okay. Now, user is searching. Let's say I am planning to purchase a villa. Where I'll go? I'll search on Google.
Hmm.
There is me. I went to Google. What I'll search on Google? Only villas I'll search. Villas for sale. In what is this?
Keyword.
Keyword. Once I search for the keyword, where I'll get redirected? SC. What is SCRP? How many ads I'll see on top?
4.
Bottom?
Max 4.
Bottom 3.
In between?
Organic.
Organic. Now I'll search for the query. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll click on this. I clicked on it. Do you think I'll fill the form?
No.
Why?
Because you don't.
Where I got redirected after clicking on the ad, a landing page. Do you think I'll fill a form here?
Yes.
Yes or no?
It depends.
Depends on how the landing page is attracting me.
Hmm.
I may fill, I may
May
not
not
fill.
fill.
Book your pre-visits, private site visit, form. Let's say I'll fill the form now. Investment bracket, let's say
That's correct.
submit.
सर नंबर बोलता हूँ नंबर डालने का
See where I got redirected, which page is this? A thank you page.
Thank you page.
You know how to set up redirection from form to thank you page? How am I getting redirected to thank you page?
After submitting.
After submitting. Like, do you know how to set up it in your website? In Fluent Forms.
Fluent Forms.
Now this is what the user journey is. User will come to the landing page. User will fill the form and user will make a
Purchase.
purchase. Okay. Do you think this process is easy?
Easy on this.
I searched for villa. I went to SCRP. I clicked on the ad. I'll fill the form. I'll make a purchase. Do you think I'll make a purchase? Even if
You'll
I'm planning
go-
to buy a villa really for 7 crores, will I make a purchase?
No.
No. First, you'll see here. You'll visit the website. Second, you'll visit another website. You'll visit another website. You'll have hundreds of times you do research. So you might be thinking that I'll create a campaign or I launch the campaign, I'll get the leads. It's not that. Before filling a form, let's talk about yourself only. How many of you came here by searching on Google? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you directly went to Google digital marketing course in Hyderabad distance? Did you make a purchase? No. What you did? Compare. For how much time you have compared? At least for 1 month to or minimum to 1 week. Which institute you have compared? One white scholar. And Vedant. And Digital Meda. And Go Digital Academy.
Come Digital Academy.
Then you got converted in digital.
Next.
There is some percentage, sir, really. How much to increase percentage wise? But then suddenly 1.5. This recently has seen that.
Ask me technical questions only.
కొత్త బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెన్ చేస్తా
కొత్త బ్రాంచ్ ఓపెన్ చేసి అక్కడ రెంట్ ఎక్కువ, చాలా ఎక్కువ రెంట్ ఆడ.
See, even I don't know why the fees is increased.
రియల్లీ సార్ దే ఇంక్రీస్డ్. అమౌంట్
For
అమౌంట్
joining in digital nest, you clicked on all the ads. Do you think their amount is wasted?
Yes.
Yes. Possibility is there. But do you think there are a lot of students who clicked on digital nest also,
ఎస్ ఎస్.
who joined in these institutes?
Yes.
Yes. So this is how the market is. It means sometimes you might click, not everyone will get converted. Only certain people will get.
కన్వర్టెడ్.
Now tell me why you got converted in digital nest. What is the reason?
పిచ్చే పడే.
One reason I would say,
Reviews.
you're seeing ad again and again when you go to YouTube. When you go to any website, you saw the same digital nest ad again and again.
सर पहला ये चाहता सर्च किया था डिजिटल
Just I got notification, sir.
किधर भी
SEO.
Instagram you're seeing an ad.
బిడ్డింగ్ ర్యాంకింగ్.
If you go to YouTube, if you're seeing an ad,
No, sir. YouTube like that.
మేడం నేను ఇప్పటివరకు ఒక్క యాడ్ కూడా చూడలేదు.
మనం సెర్చ్ చేస్తే
డిజిటల్ నెస్ట్.
yeah. You know how much we spend in ads every month?
నో.
Around 6 lakhs.
Or institute?
Yeah.
Per
No,
month.
only for Google ads. 6 lakhs.
पूरा ads में पूरा ads में मेटा
Pura total, not meta ads, only Google ads. Around 6 lakhs. Now it's going to get increased.
और फीस इंक्रीज करें.
Okay. I think you guys are lucky.
Yes, yes.
But just 1 month back before you have joined.
Yes, sir. CDP 38. Next to 38.
Okay, look at here.
38కి పడ్డది.
So first you got to know about digital nest. Then you got to understand what is digital nest. Then you got converted. So user journey has 3 stages, which is known as a funnel. What is funnel in normal terms?
वही सर पानी डालते खाना.
पानी डाल दो.
यम्मा कहीं साइन बोला मैं.
Awareness.
Understand this, the most important topic. Not only digital market, not only Google Ads, entire digital marketing. Every time you listen this funnel, 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 and funnel. This is
Awareness.
consideration. And this is
Action.
action. Awareness, consideration, action. This is known as tofu. This is known as tofu. This is known as
Tofu, bofu.
no. This is mo.
Mofo. Bofo.
Mo. Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel.
Oh, bottom.
This is an interview question. What is tofu?
Top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel.
Okay. Now, what exactly this funnel is? Now, there are two ways of a funnel. Let's talk about your journey again. What did you search on Google before making a purchase?
Digital marketing process in Hyderabad.
Course in
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Did you already made your decision to purchase a course?
Yes.
That is the reason you are searching. Now, before this, there was one more funnel. Funnel is not a technical concept, it's a strategy. Okay. Technically, you will not see any option of funnel inside Google Ads itself. It's only a strategy. You've made your mind that you have to purchase a digital marketing course. Okay. Now, let's say, for example, Digital Nest funnel. First, you clicked on the ad, you got to know about Digital Nest. Which stage may you are in?
Awareness.
It means you got to know about Digital Nest, awareness stage. Second,
Consideration.
why did you consider Digital Nest? When you might sort features, placements, etc. Whatever the things that you saw. You're considering. First, you know what is Digital Nest. Here you understood what is Digital Nest. Here you took an action. Generally, when people will take an action, when there is a FOMO. You know what is FOMO?
Yes.
Fear of missing out. It might, for example, discounts, offers, etc. Lot of things. Awareness, consideration, and action. When you got to know about Digital Nest, which stage you are in?
Awareness.
When you got to know about what exactly is it, consideration, then you took an action. Even you came through a funnel. Awareness, consideration, and
Action.
action. Now, for this, what do you think? Which type of campaign is used?
3 type of campaigns.
Which type of campaign is used in awareness stage? Type of campaign.
Search.
Search campaign.
Search.
Because you're
campaign.
coming by searching for a
Keyword.
awareness statement. What we used? A search campaign.
Search campaign.
Now here one case. Search campaigns we are attracting people who already made their mind to purchase a course. Okay. Next case. What do you think? Which campaign is used in consideration stage? Considering stage.
Repeated act.
Remarketing. Did I tell you any type of campaign which is remarketing?
No.
No. So remarketing is not a type of campaign. Again, that is a strategy. Remarketing can be done by display campaign also, by YouTube campaign also, by demand gen, by any type of campaign. Now, what do you think? Which type of campaign is used in consideration stage?
Consideration.
It can
Branding.
be display.
Video.
It can be.
Video.
It can be demand.
Demand.
It can be performance plans, etc. Again, which type of campaign is used in action stage?
Sales. Leads.
Sales. Again display, again video, again demand. So first you are attracting people with a search campaign. You are telling who you are. Once they visit your website, you are not living there. by display video, and out of all these advertisers, you might have visited 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 websites. Which website will fill the form? Who will give you the best offer? How they will give you the best offer? Again, by which type of campaign? Remarketing campaign. Let's say you visited White Scholars. If you come back, you forget White Scholars. Next time, if you go to Google, you will not search for White Scholars. You will search for again keyword. Now, once you click on White Scholars is showing their ad in YouTube. Wherever you go, you're seeing the White Scholar ad. Will you click on it? Yes. Will you convert? Possibilities. So that is why funnel is very, very important.
Sir, lead campaign will never come in consideration, right? Because you already got the lead.
See, so generally what happens here is, now this is the first stage. Simply if you can say awareness, consideration, action. Let's say 100 people searched for digital marketing course in Hyderabad on Google. They went to SCRP. Do you think they'll click on 4 ads? They'll click on only
Possibility.
1 ad. They might click on 2 ads also. Out of these 100 people, let's say 50 people clicked on your ad. Rest of the 50 people went to other advertisements. The 50 people who clicked on your ad, out of that 50, only 5 people have filled the form. Okay. What you'll do with these 45 people? Remarket them. Do I need to remarket again for 5 people? No, because you already filled the form.
Forms.
Now, out of this, what you'll do is 45 people, 50 people came here, 45 filled the form. To these 45 people, you'll remarket them by using YouTube campaign, by using search campaign, not search campaign, display campaign, etc. Out of these 45 people, let's say again 10 people filled the form. Now how many left? 35. Will you leave these 35 people?
No.
No.
Retarget.
Again you launch a new campaign. Again you target this. But what will be the difference? Here you will give different offers. Here completely extra different offers. Got it? So you are filtering out the people. First, more people are there, few people visited your website. Again few visited. Again few converted. Till now if they are not converted, you will keep showing them that till the time they get converted.
Convert.
Got it? Clear? Now which funnel is this? It's a brand funnel. Okay? Clear? Any doubts? Simply one sentence by if I say you, first you are knowing what is, let's say for example this one. First I am seeing what is, which name is this? See, website is loading. This is again one of the factor.
Glitch.
Altilia. So first I got to know about Altilia. Second I'll see their ads again and again. Third I'll get converted. When I'll get converted, if they give me good offer, if the location is good, if they fits in my budget, lot of factors. Okay. Clear? Now let's talk about a general funnel.
Sir, एक doubt है.
Yeah.
See, 50 people are visited our website and 5 people filled the form. Rest of the 45, how we'll be having the data of them after visiting the site? They didn't fill the form.
Yeah. So in your website we'll paste a code.
Ah.
The code will only store the data of a user
Who will visit the site?
who will visit the site.
What we will get from them if I visited the site? What
See,
information you will get from me?
If I visit a website,
Ah.
awareness, consideration, action. Okay. How you got awareness about digital marketing?
Search.
What did you search?
Digital marketing course in keyword.
Did you search for digital marketing course? No. How you got to know what is digital marketing?
वही AI करी तो इतने पैसे आए उतने पैसे आए.
You got my point.
Hmm.
How you got to know that there is something called digital
Digital
marketing?
marketing.
How you got to know that?
वही गूगल फ्री एड्स रन करता ना सर.
You searched by making money online. You
Hmm.
searched by your college told you
Hmm.
or others. ChatGPT. What did you search in ChatGPT? First, you got to know about digital marketing. Second, you understood what is digital marketing. Third, you made your mind that there is something called digital marketing. You know that. You finalize that I want to make career in digital marketing. Then you search for a query called digital marketing course in Hyderabad in this one. Okay.
Hmm.
Now you went to Google. What did you search? Digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Here you got to know about Digital Nest. Right? So this is a general funnel where you are understanding the industry, and from here other funnel is getting started. Which funnel is this?
Business funnel. Branding.
Now you are in Digital Nest funnel. Okay. Now you got converted in digital. Okay. Now tell me who helped Digital Nest? Don't you think that YouTuber helped Digital Nest?
One of
They
the
provided you information. This YouTuber told you to take an action. It's a good career, take it. Do you think this YouTuber has helped?
Yes, yes.
Do you think Digital Nest have paid something to the YouTuber?
No.
No.
Google पे करेगा उसको.
Do you think Google has paid?
They promote videos
They are
in
providing
the.
information
Yes, sir.
for free.
For publishing videos, YouTube will
That
pay
is a
him.
different
then,
case. But to provide only digital marketing information, do you think
Yeah.
anyone has
Okay.
paid?
No.
So you got to know about from one of the YouTuber,
Hmm.
then you got converted in digital.
Digital Nest.
So indirectly everyone is helping
Yes.
each other. So first you are in this funnel, second you are in
This funnel.
brand funnel. Okay, got it?
Yes.
I'll give you exactly 5 minutes of time. Just go through this and let me know if you have any doubts.
Remarketing, because that time the amount will be
500 people visited your website by using search campaign. Then you are remarketing them. Out of that 500 people, 50 fill the form.
450.
You are remarketing 450 people. After this, again 50 people fill the form. You are remarketing
400.
400 people. Now, do you think this 100 people will join?
no.
Again, you need to show them the ad. Do you need to do remarketing again?
Yes.
Possibilities there. But in this case, you have their mobile number also.
Hmm.
This is where email marketing comes in,
WhatsApp marketing.
WhatsApp marketing comes in, just like you're seeing the messages, and SMS marketing comes in. It means when you got the details of a user, you can send them promotional messages in WhatsApp, SMS, and email also. Got it? Now, let's say a general funnel. Let's say you want to launch this funnel. Which type of campaign will be used on awareness stage? Which type of campaign you'll use in consideration? Which one you'll use in action?
First one, search campaign.
Will you use search campaign?
Yes.
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 What people will search?
For the
Keywords.
What is the keyword?
Whatever the service will.
According to, let's say, a real estate, we'll ask. What will be the keyword? According to digital nest, digital marketing
Digital
course.
marketing course.
User is searching for digital marketing course, but I am telling you about a general funnel.
General funnel topic
General
depends
funnel
on the
means
topic.
User don't even know what is digital marketing.
Mhm.
So which type of, will you launch a search campaign? No point of launching because users don't know what digital marketing itself is.
अच्छा.
Which campaign you launch here?
वही.
One you might launch video campaign. You might launch display campaign.
Display campaign है which work out है.
Okay. Then after this, Second case में which type of campaign you launch? Remarketing में which campaign? Again video. Again display. Again
Same.
video. Again display. Will you use same videos and images every time?
No.
Different.
Now tell me what will be the message in your awareness stage? What is the message you'll show to the user and what type of people you target?
Demand generation students.
Whatever message you'll convey here,
Explaining about digital marketing.
explaining about
Digital marketing and earnings.
what is digital marketing,
What is digital
how
marketing?
digital marketing works,
How
and all.
much you earn?
Benefits.
Out of these people who have shown in your ad, you'll retarget them again by using. Now, what is the message you'll convey here?
What we are giving you, providing
Like case studies or
What you can do with digital marketing?
Career.
What are the modules, career, and all. Third, me what you'll do?
Same.
You'll give discount. We have a digital marketing course. Purchase it. Now, here important step is the first stage. Because when you go to a brand funnel, people are already searching for keyword. They know what is digital marketing. They know what is digital invest also. When it comes to this funnel, what type of people you'll target here? For that, you need to plan something called buyer persona. Because digitalness mein we don't know who is our ideal customer. Tell me who can take a digital marketing course?
Recently passed out.
One student,
business owners.
one business owner. क्या what?
Job seeker. Uncle sir से बोल रहा है रे.
Job seekers.
Student, business owner, and
Job
Job.
seekers.
job. What? Let's say what planning to change their career.
Saurav, no?
అది ఎప్పుడు మారదు రవి.
Now, do you think the way student use social media will be same?
No, different.
No.
Different.
Now, buyer persona is nothing but your ideal customer. Who is your ideal customer? Whenever you're planning a buyer persona, let's say you're planning buyer persona. Now, this is a different funnel again. Student, another campaigns, another campaigns, another campaigns. Lot of ad spend you need. So general campaigns very rarely we launch in Google Ads. Mostly we'll go for brand campaigns because keyword they already know. Why we should work on all this thing, giving them information and all. Directly they search, they'll come, they'll get converted. Now, when you're taking a buyer persona, you should see what their age is, what their interest is, what is their location, etc. What will be the ideal stage of a student?
Searching.
No, what will be the stage
22.
of a student?
Stage age.
Sorry,
Age. 20, 22,
By 23 they
25.
complete their studies.
25.
23 to,
25.
let's say if they are doing MBA and all. Let's say
28.
20.
What will be their interest,
Job.
courses,
Courses.
Jobs. skills, etc. Location will be
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Now, how do you target these people? First, you are telling that in this you launch a display campaign and you launch a video campaign. Search ad mein people are coming by searching a keyword to your website. How do you target people in display and video and other types of campaigns? By using their age, by using their interest, by using their gender, by using their location. These are the different targeting options available in all the different campaigns. Because search campaign means people are searching for product or service. When they are using YouTube, they are not looking for product or service, but the ad is shown. How do you target them? Based on their age,
Interest.
gender, location, behavior, etc. Okay. So always when you're working for this type of funnel, you have to plan your buyer persona. Let's say this ideas I got. from myself. Let's say what ChatGPT will give you. Give me buyer persona for digital marketing course
ఉంటుంది
in
ఇక్కడ
Hyderabad. One student. Example it gave you. One Rohit Kumar. Age is 22, around 24. Education, location. What is their goal? High paying job, low salary, learn experience, practical skills, build freelance income, etc. No practical skills. It means these are the pain points it's giving you that you can use in the videos. So what is the interest of this person? These are the interests. Again, another bio person I'll give you for working professionals. Age, occupation, salary, interested in changing the career. Again, small business owners. Name, age, store. Goal is to generate what they'll search on Google. How to grow my business. How to scale my business. That converts their interest. Got it? So whenever you're planning for a course, you have to always plan a buyer persona. When you're working this type of funnel. Okay? So that you can target this type of people. Got it? Clear?
Sir, what did you search on ChatGPT? What is the job?
Give me buyer persona for digital marketing course in Hyderabad. Okay? Now I'll give you for some businesses. For that businesses, tell me what will be the buyer persona. First, try to do it by your own. Then go to ChatGPT. Okay?